Good morning, children. Today we are starting chapter number 3, Whole Numbers. First of all, let's discuss what are natural numbers. All the counting numbers starting with 1 are called natural numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Now let's talk about whole numbers. The natural numbers along with 0, they form the collection of whole numbers. So whole numbers, they begin with 0 and remaining are all the counting numbers. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. These all are whole numbers. Let's understand the concept of natural numbers and whole numbers by this figure. Here we can see this inner part is representing natural numbers. So all the natural numbers, counting numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on, they are included here. And the outer one, it is representing whole numbers in which natural numbers are also included. So here this is the diagrammatic representation of whole numbers and natural numbers. Now let's talk about successor of a number. When we add 1 to a number, we get its successor. For example, successor of 65 is, we will add 1 to that number. So 65 plus 1, it is 66. So 66 is the successor of 65. Now let's talk about the predecessor of a number. When we subtract 1 from a number, then we get its predecessor. So let's see one example here. Predecessor of 100 will be 100 minus 1, which is 99. So whenever we are calculating predecessor, we have to subtract 1 from that number. Now let's see representation of whole numbers on a number line. Now this is a number line. We begin with 0 and then we write the other numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on. Now on a number line, the larger number will be always on the right of smaller number. For example, if we see 6 and 5, which is greater? Yes, 6 is greater and 6 is on the right side of 5. Similarly, one more example, let's see 3 and 9. We know 9 is greater and 9 is on the right side of number line as compared to 3. So, larger numbers are always on the right side of the smaller numbers.